Assembling and testing a solar lantern. A solar lantern consists of a solar PV panel, charge controller, rechargeable battery, output control circuit for variable illumination, DC LED lamp, and a lantern assembly kit. First, fix the LED bulb to the holder and then attach it to the top cover of the lantern. Next, connect the wires from the bulb holder to the output of the control circuit for variable illumination. Then, connect the rechargeable battery and output control circuit to the charge controller terminals. Place the solar panel in sunlight and test the assembled lantern. First, press the load button and set the voltage on the charge controller. The red LED glows, indicating that the system is in standby condition. Next, switch on the lantern. The indicator changes from red to green, confirming active output and proper power supply. The lantern emits light, and its brightness can be adjusted using the knob.